Hey everyone, it's Shiva here from Finance with Shiva. Welcome back to the channel where we make money simple, smart, and totally doable for Canadians just like you. If you're looking for ways to keep more cash in your pocket without sacrificing your lifestyle, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing practical, easy ways to save money on everyday expenses right here in Canada. Whether you're saving for a big goal or just want to stretch your paycheck further, these tips can make a real difference. Let's jump in. 1. Shop smart at the grocery store. Groceries are a big part of most budgets, but there are lots of ways to save. Plan your meals around what's on sale. Check flyers or use grocery apps to spot weekly deals before you even step into the store. Make a shopping list and stick to it. This helps avoid impulse buys, which can really add up over time. Go grocery shopping after you've eaten. Shopping on an empty stomach makes it much harder to resist those tempting snacks. Compare prices by weight or unit. Sometimes the bigger package isn't actually the better deal, so check the shelf labels for price per 100 grams or per item. Skip pre-cut or prepared foods. Buying whole veggies and doing a bit of prep at home can save you a lot. Try more affordable staples. Beans, lentils, and rice are nutritious, filling, and budget-friendly. 2. Cut down on food and coffee spending. Make lunch at home. Packing your lunch instead of buying it can easily save you $10 to $15 a day, which adds up to hundreds a month. Brew your own coffee. Even just swapping out a few cafe visits each week for homemade coffee can save you a bundle. 3. Pay your credit card balance in full. Always pay your credit card balance in full and on time. Interest charges on unpaid balances can quickly wipe out any savings you make elsewhere. Automate your bill payments. This helps you avoid late fees and keeps your credit score healthy. 4. Use your tax refund wisely. Think of your tax refund as an opportunity, not a windfall. Consider putting it toward next year's school supplies, making an extra mortgage payment, or boosting your emergency fund. 5. Review and reduce your bills. Audit your subscriptions. Take a look at all your streaming services, apps, and memberships. Cancel anything you're not using regularly. Reevaluate your cell phone and internet plan. Canada is known for high telecom bills, so check if you're paying for data or minutes you don't use, and call your provider for better rates. Lower your utility bills. Turn down the thermostat when you're out or at night. Use energy-efficient bulbs and wash clothes in cold water. 6. Stack loyalty and rewards programs. Sign up for loyalty programs at your favorite stores. PC Optimum, Air Miles, and others can help you earn points for groceries, gas, and more. Stack offers when you can. Use coupons, cashback apps, and points together for bigger savings. 7. Try no-spend days and free activities. Have a no-spend day once a week. Challenge yourself to go a day without spending anything. It's a great way to reset your habits. Look for free local activities. Parks, community events, and free festivals can be just as fun as paid entertainment. 8. Buy secondhand and sell what you don't need. Check thrift stores or online marketplaces for clothes, furniture, and electronics. You'll often find great deals on gently used items. Sell unused items. Declutter your space and make some extra cash at the same time. 9. Track your spending. Write down every dollar you spend for a week or two. You might be surprised where your money is going, and it's the first step to cutting back. Use a budgeting app or a simple notebook. The key is to be consistent. 10. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Even $25 or $50 a month adds up over time and helps you reach your goals without thinking about it. Remember, you don't have to make all these changes at once. Start with one or two that feel easy for you and build from there. Even small changes, like making lunch at home or switching your phone plan, can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. If you want a personalized insurance and investment plan tailored for your personal, family, or business goals. Anywhere in Canada, I'd love to help. Check the description below for my contact info and let's connect for your personalized insurance and investment plan. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more smart money tips here on Finance with Shiva. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.